Okay, hello everyone. This is my Raspberry Pi 4 device. I purchased it from Amazon. It's a Vilros Raspberry Pi. You can see it's kind of fully transparent. So this is the front side of it. This is the rear side of it, or the back side. You can see the fan is here. There are a couple of heat sinks behind these stuff. So basically like those. On top of the chips like CPUs and memories. And this is the fan that goes, so the red pin goes on the right side, but the second pin, you can see on the right hand side, second pin, and then the ground pin that is goes to the third pin. Now this fan does not originally came with this device. I had some issue with the one that comes with that. So I replaced this with the fan that has only two pins. The original one comes with a 3 pin. You can also use that one. That's if that is functioning. Now before we go to the starting this one, I wanted to show you some of the ports that it came with. So this is a kind of a USB-C port. These are also supporting your like a HDMI ports, so you can connect here an HDMI. This is for a headset, like you can put in the jack here. There are a couple of different types of USBs that it supports. So you can see one is USB 3 and one is USB 2. So two of them are USB 2.0, two of them are USB 3.0 here, and it also has a like a RJ45 connector here. So now let's go and plug in this one. Before plugging, you need to make sure that it comes with the bootable memory chip that goes here. So let me show you, like so this one, this one. Now you can put it into this, like it's just like soft boot, and then a little bit press downside so that it does not get out. Okay, now let's connect the stuffs that we need to do to power it up. So what I will do, I will connect a mouse. I have a mouse that has a USB 2.0 connector, so I will connect this one here. And this is a keyboard that I wanted to use, so this can also go to the USB 2.0 port. This is the USB-C connector, so you can just put it here. So and we need one more, that is the monitor, where I will connect it. So let me connect to the monitor here in this port. Okay, so now this is my power one. This is my goes to my monitor here, so that goes to the HDMI port. And I have one mouse here, and then I have one keyboard here. So let's power it on and see what comes up. So this came up with an on and off button. So let's push this one, and you can see it's coming up. Yeah, now with Raspberry Pi on our monitor, and basically let me run the mouse. So yeah, so we can see it here. It's running. Now it's not moving the way that I want, but let's check some of these stuffs here. So let's write host name, Raspberry, and then you also need to connect the network here. Kind of, let me see how it's. So you can see that network, and then you have to choose it. This one. So that's basically